You have to add one more nut or something back of this.
Oh, one more knot.
Yeah, small washer. I don't want to put too much pressure.
Oh,
You don't want to put too much pressure because
okay.
that thing is not good.
Oh, it's still not going in properly.
Yeah, it's going out, but
Okay.
I don't want to put too much.
Okay, okay.
It's good, you know, it's holding
Yes.
probably like maybe more than 20 turn. You know?
Yes. I wonder for this, would it have how much torque you need or something like that?
But usually between 80 to 85.
Okay.
So usually I go by hand feeling. You know, if
Okay.
I feel like it's not too loose, not too tight.
Yes.
Do you think you have a washer?
Uh,
I'm gonna look to.
okay, let me check.
Okay.
I'll just go and check. Oh.